front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's features to manage. Then click on one of your apps. Select one of those options, and when you're ready, just go back. But you can also select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!